What's up, everybody? Sophia's First Lover 2021 here. I am at McGuire's Clocks in Austin, Texas, and I have a beautiful, I think this is a vintage Seth Thomas grandfather clock. I'm going to show you real quick. It's Chimes. I only moved the minute hand. Really well tuned. I'm going to slowly stop it, and then you want to bring it to the 6. I wish I had one of these. You know how much this is, Ryan? Wow. Now we're gonna take the hour strike. Again, move the minute hand, have it stop. You wanna stop it, and then you wanna bring it to the 12. There we go. I'm gonna stop the pendulum because that's how Jason had it. But that thing is beautiful. And it will chime a bit at you, that's just what it does. Amazing. Alright, catch you later.